trainings. Vision. Whale Infotech is into building something big and new, where we would be finding answers to our customers by identifying unprecedented opportunities. We lead in global business consulting with interest in information technology, business application, consulting, and sales automation. We believe and practice in establishing dynamic, long-term, and mutually beneficial relationship with our customers. An overview about us, staffing, client interface, and conclusion. Whale Infotech is a leading global business consulting company with interests in information technology, business application, consulting, and staff augmentation. Whale Infotech is established in the pursuit of helping clients and people by leveraging information and technology. The group is established to bring in the best possible ERP and IT consultant to its customers all over the globe. About us. Whale Infotech believes and practices in establishing dynamic, long-term, and mutually beneficial relationship with our customers. The company has carved a niche for itself on the realm of ERP recruitment and business consulting, not just for its commitment to quality, but for its core competence and process orientation. Staffing, contingency or ad hoc requirements, or placing candidates on a permanent basis. When it comes to staffing an employee on a permanent or ad hoc basis, the key is to ensure the quality is in the process. Whale Infotech Consulting Services multi-step recruiting approach helps us find the candidate who best meet your hiring criteria. Verticals, spectrum, industry focus. These are the various verticals that we've been operating on: accountancy, aerospace and defense, automotive, banking and finance, insurance, charity, chemicals, construction, consultancy, consumer products, goods or engineering, government, local or departmental, public sector units, high tech, IT, higher education, to name a few. Technologies that we've been working on: designing tools such as Rational Unified Process, Vision, Erwin, programming languages such as Java, J2E, C, C++, .NET, Smalltalk, HTML, VB, operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, middleware such as Orbix, Vitreria, WebMethods, Cbeyond, TIBCO, database such as Oracle, Sybase, Ingress, Access, Teradata, package software solutions such as SAP, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel CRM, Oracle applications, business intelligence such as Business Object, MicroStrategy, Cognos, Informatica, infrastructure requirements such as network infrastructure administration, Cisco certified engineers, LAN administrators, to name a few. Our core strength lies in SAP expertise. Our screening process. We specialize in SAP staffing. Our staff understand SAP and the needs of clients. We use highly sophisticated search and selection system along with detailed in-house SAP knowledge to find ideal candidates. Quick response. We take pride on our ability to provide candidates to clients when and where they are required. The company's fast reaction time has impressed both management and consultancies and companies. As a reputable and reliable specialist SAP recruitment agency, we are preferred supplier to the majority of SAP partners. Account manager. A qualified SAP account manager is allocated specifically to each client, and he or she will receive and process all requests effectively. The account manager is to be supported by a dedicated resource team with relevant understanding of SAP. Client interface. The key service differentiators. Ensuring we have an in-depth description of the position that you are looking to fulfill, as well as gaining a thorough understanding of the benefits your company has to offer for an individual. And then we develop a skill presentation sheet with your hiring criteria clearly laid out. We start identifying the prospective candidates and place the recruiting calls directly to those individuals. Interested candidates are then thoroughly interviewed and tested by us to ensure their skill sets are in accordance and up to par with what you are looking for. We then bring the prospective candidates are then presented to you, utilizing their resume, the skill presentation sheet, and our own personal thoughts as to the candidates available and skill sets. We coordinate and set the interviews when your When you interview one of our candidates, you can feel confident they meet or exceed your key hiring criteria. We coordinate and set the interviews. When you interview one of our candidates, you can feel confident they meet or exceed your key hiring criteria. The offer extension process is then handled as well as negotiating the acceptance of the candidate for the position in question. We consult the candidate throughout the counter offer stage as well as developing a resignation letter from their current company. Conclusion. Advantages with Whale Infotech. The tactical operational benefits. Improve overall quality and performance, add newer functions and service, ability to ramp up or down quickly, have a pool of trained resources to bring on-site as needed. Strategic benefits with Whale Infotech. Improve business focus, access to world-class capabilities, accelerate re-engineering benefits, free internal resource for other purposes, achieve flexibility, smart sourcing partner becomes an efficient R&D partner, share risk, phase out older technologies while ramping up on newer ones more effectively. Ethics and policies. We always act with ethics and policies. We always act with integrity in our words and action with everyone with whom we interact. Through our deep specialist knowledge, we provide thought leadership, deliver the best possible solutions to our clients, and offer interesting, challenging careers to our people. We are passionate about what we do. This, coupled with our knowledge and experience, is to key our success and that of our clients. The company places great value on our client relationship and clients' needs for the supply of specialist recruitment services. We commit to strict ethical guidelines and maintain a stringent corporate policy. For more details, please contact Mr. Drupad Parsa, Director, HR and Staffing India, mobile 9959627282, office 04064617282. Alternatively, you can mail to drupad@whaleinfotech.com. For more details on our company, please visit our website www.whaleinfotech.com. Thank you.